What's up guys, and welcome back to Digital Heresy. HDR has been around for quite some time now, and the technology has had many advancements. For those who don't know, HDR is a display technology that enhances the contrast and color range of video and images, making them appear more lifelike and vibrant. Essentially, you get deeper blacks and brighter whites. However, to take advantage of HDR, you need to have a compatible HDR display, whether a monitor or TV. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on HDR in Windows 11, but the process will also work on Windows 10 as well. Any operating system before Windows 10 does not support HDR, just so you know ahead of time. So let's get started. Now, I don't know why there are so many content creators out there explaining how to turn on HDR when their monitor doesn't support HDR and only supports HDR streaming. There's a little bit of a difference, but I'm here to show you what it really looks like with full HDR support on your monitor. So let's go ahead and head over to the display settings. So first thing we're gonna do is gonna right click on the desktop, go down to where it says display settings. Then under brightness and color, it's going to say use HDR. Then go ahead and click that on. Now, HDR actually has several different types of settings. And if you want to find out those settings, you can go ahead and actually click on use HDR and everything will open up. Now, display capabilities is where you are pretty much told whether your display supports HDR or it is not supported. As you can see, both things are supported on my monitor. Now, you can turn off specific HDR functions like HDR video streaming if you do not want that. That's pretty much whenever you stream a video or a movie on online, then you will get HDR in that video. And then auto HDR allows for any device that you have to automatically turn HDR on whenever HDR is supported. However, there is another setting you may want to look into. Now, if you have an NVIDIA RTX graphics card combined with a 2K resolution or higher display, you can actually take advantage of NVIDIA's RTX video enhancement settings. So, come back to the desktop and you want to go ahead and right click on the desktop and then go down to where it says show more options. Then, go up to where it says NVIDIA control panel. And then all the way down in the videos tab, go ahead and click adjust video image settings. Now, in order to do this, you need to actually turn HDR on. Otherwise, the functions in this page will not be available. So once you do turn to HDR on, you'll get access to this little section right here, which is RTX video enhancement. So for super resolution, what that is that it uses AI to upscale resolution and reduce compression artifacts on videos played in supported browsers. So you can go ahead and click that on. And then for HDR or high dynamic range, this uses AI to convert SDR color space video to HDR. And this requires HDR compatible panels, like I said before, and HDR enabled in Windows display setting in order to use this. So you can go ahead and click that as well. And then when you're done, hit apply. And then now HDR is actually enabled inside your NVIDIA RTX graphics card as well. Now on some monitors and TVs, there is an auto HDR setting, as I had mentioned earlier, where your PC or gaming platform will automatically turn on HDR if it is supported. So if HDR doesn't pop up on your screen as soon as you start an application, you may have to go into the settings of your display or your device and have to change that. And that, my friends, is everything that you need to know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more PC tutorials. If you have any questions or you want to learn something specific about Windows or Linux, go ahead and drop your request down in the comments and I'll be happy to make a video on it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video.